Hello everyone, in this video we are going to tell you how to fix Shark Genius Steam Mop not steaming. Solution 1. Check the power and water levels. First, verify that the Shark Genius Steam Mop is properly plugged into a working power outlet. Make sure the cord is securely inserted into both the mop and the outlet to ensure a stable connection. Next, check the water tank level to ensure it is filled to the marked maximum filled line. If the tank is empty or below the recommended level, refill it with fresh water. This is crucial because the mop requires a certain amount of water to produce steam. Solution 2. Turn on the steam mop. Once the water tank is filled, turn on the Shark Genius steam mop. The blue light on the mop should be on, indicating that it is ready to use. If the blue light is not on, check the power cord and ensure it is securely plugged in. If the light remains off, it may indicate a more serious issue with the mop's electrical components. Solution 3. Release steam. To release steam, pump the handle of the mop a few times in downward motion. This pumping motion will activate the steam function and release steam from the mop head. The steam will appear on the edges of the mop head, indicating that the mop is functioning properly. As you mop, the natural motion of the mop will also produce steam. You can adjust the steam output by pumping the handle more or less. The more you pump, the more steam you will get, giving you control over the cleaning process. This allows you to customize the amount of steam to suit your cleaning needs. Solution 4. Clean the mop pads. Refer to the user manual for specific instructions on how to clean the mop pads. Mix a small amount of mild detergent with warm water. Dip a soft cloth into the solution and gently wipe the mop pads. Rinse the cloth thoroughly and wipe the mop pads again to remove any soap residue. Allow the mop pads to air dry completely before using them again. Solution 5. Check the heating element. Check if the mop head is getting hot when you turn it on. If it's not getting hot, the heating element might be malfunctioning. If you suspect the heating element is malfunctioning, consult a professional or contact Shark customer service for further assistance. Solution 6. Reset your steam mop. Unplug the steam mop from the power source. Wait for a few minutes to allow any temporary glitches to clear. Plug the steam mop back into the power source. Solution 7. Contact Shark customer service. If none of the solutions work, it might be time to reach out to Shark's customer service. They can offer further troubleshooting steps or inform you about warranty service if your mop is still under warranty. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, comment and share our video, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon.